What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Last year, when Barbie the movie came out, I was crazy about this dollhouse. I hoped that we would get a 1/6 scale Dreamhouse like this, but no. So I started cutting up the boxes to make my own mini BarbieLand house. I even cut the figures off of Barbie Fashionista boxes so we could have mini dolls. But then, Mini BarbieLand became a thing. This one was $9.99. We got a slide, a door that opens, a kitchen area, an elevator, 2 floors, a little palm tree, a bed, swing chair, a pool, and a mystery box that has a mini Barbie. This one looks like one of the new Fashionistas. It can bend at the waist, and it has a little heart foot bracket that allows it to be placed in the dollhouse securely. Well, for the most part. It also comes with a mystery pet. We got a cute little gray cat and a tiny little cat bed, which is kind of cute. I know I have a history of complaining about pets, but we're just gonna forget about that for right now, because it's so cute. But I still want the house from Barbie the movie. Well, hello, Mattel Creations. This was delivered today. I bought it from Mattel Creations for $50. Cue dramatic box opening. Oh, it's just tissue paper. All right, so let's get this out and rip through that paper to reveal Barbie the Movie Mini Dreamhouse playset. We finally got the house. But do I want it in 1/6 scale? Yes. But if this one was $10 and this one was $50, I am kind of scared to see what that price tag would be. Here's my down payment. The Barbie the Movie Dreamhouse is a lot bigger. Is it 5 times bigger? If you count the display, maybe. If you're just counting the house, I don't think so. But it looks like it has a lot more detail. So let's get it out of the box, which has some Barbie doors on the back and a bee on the top with a few clouds, tape on the sides that has to be removed or cut so we can open up the box to get a closer look. The backdrop has a picture of BarbieLand with a rainbow. We got a mini BarbieLand sign and a little bon voyage to Barbie, who's going to reality to restore the membrane that separates our world from theirs so you don't get cellulite. Oh, and there's a dog. I think I actually have this dog. The Dreamhouse is attached to the floor with these little brackets underneath. Once all the packaging has been removed, we can set up our Dreamhouse. We have 2 pink chairs. They are freestanding. The table that they go with is attached to the floor, as are many of the other details like the chair in the bedroom, the little stool, the bed with sculpted pillows, the lamps on the side of the bed with the bedside tables. There's a large slide leading from the bedroom all the way down to the pool, which has a little bit of a wave to it and a water print. There is a stone pathway or border around the pool. Those stones have a little dimension to them, and they have printed coloring. It looks like my print is off just a little. On the second floor, we have the shower on one side that can open. There's a little heart bracket for the dolls to stand. We can see some details on the side and on the ceiling. Next to the shower, we have what I think is a sink. I can see the faucet, but there is no bowl. We do have some sculpted bottles for soap or lotion and a few drawers. Then we can move to the closet, which has the little vanity. The vanity is stationary. There's a little chair and that iconic mirror. There are sculpted rugs on the floor with the Barbie bee. It does make the ground a little uneven, but I can still place one of the figures on top. And we can try to get that shot of Barbie looking through a mirrorless mirror. In the very back, you can see a printed image for the closet, which we can also see on the back of the house. I like that it is finished all the way around. And that little closet can turn so we can change the outfit for the day. look at that cute little detail on the bottom floor. Love it. Although the stones on the back of the house are just printed, I personally would have loved to have seen a little dimension like we saw around the pool. On the bottom floor of the house, we have pink double doors with painted Barbie bees, and the doors do open. This is our little kitchen area. We can see a carton of milk. There's like some eyes over here. Can you see that? This pink might be kind of hard to see on camera. And there is a toaster as well. There is a couch sculpted to the floor. Oh wait, there's a refrigerator and it looks like this can open. It can! We've got printed food in there. Can you see it? There is a printed fireplace. If we go past the couch, we come back to the eating area. I'm not seeing the tub full of bubbles, which I kinda loved. I couldn't have been the only one doing this after the movie. Like seriously, that's kinda beautiful. With our new Dreamhouse, we get the 2 chairs that I talked about earlier. Here's the mini Barbie in the chair. We can place the chairs inside the Dreamhouse over those little cuts in the floor from holding it into the box. It would have been nice if those cuts weren't there. Maybe there will be some future furniture that can snap into them. Maybe there's already a reason for them and I'm just missing it. This could also be a non-issue for you and I am just being picky. It was $50. We have a flamingo mailbox that is open. Cute. Let's place that in front of the house. I should turn it around. There we go. There's a flamingo pool floaty with painted details on the beak. We can place that in the pool. There's a yellow umbrella. It can stand on its own. We have 2 yellow pool chairs or lounge chairs with a sculpted folded up towel at the bottom that we can place by the pool. Oh, and there's a tiny brush for the vanity. I almost forgot that. When placed next to the Barbie, the brush is kind of large, but it's kind of the perfect size if our dolls had a Barbie brush for their Barbies. The included mini Barbie is wearing that pink and white gingham dress, has a white necklace, blonde hair. You can see that her eyes are blue and she has a pink lip color. I love the idea of getting Barbie the Movie minis so our dolls can have dolls. Mini Toys Dollhouse just got an upgrade. Can the mini doll go down the slide? She can! Of course, we could use more Barbie the Movie inspired minis. I was on Amazon and I found these mini figures for miniature dioramas. It was $9 for a bag of 50, and I got the unpainted ones. I got the 1/50 scale or 50th scale on Amazon, which is now $6.99. Here's what the listing looks like. Let's see, are they the same size? This one's a tiny bit smaller. It's like a petite Barbie. But it looks like they come in different sizes, and some of the guys are the same height as a mini Barbie. Honestly, this may or may not work. I was interested in seeing if it was a compatible size. But this one, even though it's a little shorter, might work. Let's sand off any rough pieces. Paint a skin tone. Let's give her black shoes. Let's paint the hair gray, then add a few white highlights. Once the shoes were dry, I glued them to a drop of hot glue. Paint the dress blue. Try to paint those little details on the face and a little pearl necklace to make a mini Ruth Handler for the dollhouse. It would have been nice if they were a tiny bit taller, but this totally works. If you are a Mini BarbieLand collector, this does give us another Dreamhouse straight out of Barbie the Movie. It's a lot larger than the other houses, but still pretty much compatible with the other accessories. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. And would you like to see this in 1/6 scale? Thank you for joining us while we added to our Mini BarbieLand. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.